DJI released the Osmo Action 3, and 1 hour later, GoPro released the Hero 11 Black. The war for hard-earned dollars is on. Will DJI be able to dethrone GoPro, the action camera OG? GoPro is still on top when it comes to video and photo tech specs. It can shoot in 5.3K 60, it can shoot in 5.3K 30, and its new larger aspect ratio of 8:7. The 8:7 aspect ratio is really nice because you can take one video clip and you can crop it to fit horizontal or vertical, so you can use it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, so that way you don't have to choose between shooting your video horizontal or vertical. The Osmo Action 3 shoots in 4K 120 using the standard aspect ratios of 4:3 and 16:9, but it does come with a quick release vertical mount that allows the user quickly to switch between vertical and horizontal shooting. The Hero 11 takes 27 megapixel photos and can grab 24.7 megapixel photos from video. The Action 3 takes 12 megapixel photos. The Osmo Action 3 does have a slightly bigger sensor. The Hero 11 has 10-bit color, which really increases the dynamic range that's available. That's a plus for people who like to color grade their footage. The Osmo does not have 10-bit color yet, but apparently they are working on that, and it'll be something that's available in the future. The Hero 11 has a better technical specs, but the overall quality of all cameras is getting to the point now where that's meaning less and less, especially to the average consumer. They're not doing color grading and they can't see the benefit of all those Ks when they're watching things on their phone. They want the best image with little or no adjustment necessary, and both cameras can do that. A feature that everyone cares about is battery life, and based purely only on specs, this one goes to the Osmo Action 3. It says it can go 160 minutes, and it can operate in temperatures as low as -4 Fahrenheit and as high as 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The GoPro, they have their Enduro battery, which lasts about 120 minutes, and it can operate in temperatures as low as 14 Fahrenheit. Both cameras are waterproof, which is standard for an action camera. The GoPro is good for 10 meters. The Osmo Action 3 can go to 16 meters. Both cameras have great stabilization. GoPro has HyperSmooth 5.0. The Osmo Action 3 has Rocksteady. They both have Horizon lock and leveling. The Osmo Action 3 does have a couple of cool features that the Hero 11 doesn't. First, and what was most exciting and interesting to me, is that the front screen is a touchscreen, and that is a great idea. It really improves the usability of the camera. It also has an invisible selfie stick function similar to the Insta360. Well, kind of similar to the Insta360. It only works if you're skiing or snowboarding. I don't do either of those, so it's not really an advantage to me. What about the price? The Osmo Action 3 comes in at $329, which is a really good price. And for that, you get one battery, you get a USB-C cable, a protective case, a lens protector, a variety of mounts, but no SD card. The Hero 11 is $70 more at $400. That's if you get the subscription service. I did a video all about the GoPro subscription. I'll put a link to that in the description. Basically, there's no reason not to do the subscription service in that first year, but you have to remember to cancel it if you don't like it. You get all the same things you basically get with the Osmo Action 3 with the Hero 11. You get one camera, one battery, a variety of mounting accessories, a USB-C cable, but you also get a 32 gig SD card. When you consider the value of the subscription service for that first year, the SD card, and you're getting a more advanced camera, $400 is also a really good deal. You can't go wrong with either camera. GoPro isn't losing, but the competition is really tough right now. Another competitor in the action camera market is Insta360. Check out this video talking about the X3.